Welcome to our guide on how to fix Samsung Soundbar HDMI ARC not working. Are you ready to enjoy a seamless audio experience but encountering issues with your Samsung Soundbar's HDMI ARC functionality? Don't worry, as HDMI ARC issues are quite common and can often be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your Samsung Soundbar working smoothly using HDMI ARC. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving deeper into technical solutions, start by checking all physical connections. Ensure that both ends of the HDMI cable are firmly connected to the HDMI ARC ports on your TV and soundbar. A loose or disconnected cable could be the reason your ARC setup isn't working. Once you've confirmed the connections, try using a different HDMI cable if problems persist. Not all HDMI cables are ARC compatible, so using a high-speed HDMI cable is recommended. Step 2. Enable HDMI CEC on your TV. For HDMI ARC to function properly, HDMI CEC needs to be enabled on your TV. This feature allows connected devices to communicate directly with each other. The setting might be labeled differently based on the TV brand, such as AnyNet Plus for Samsung TVs. Navigate to your TV settings, locate the HDMI CEC option, and ensure it is turned on. This step is crucial for enabling sound transmission from your TV to the soundbar. Step 3. Configure the soundbar settings. Next, confirm that your soundbar settings are properly configured to utilize ARC. On your Samsung soundbar remote, press the source button to switch to HDMI ARC mode. This function can sometimes be labeled as D.IN or TV ARC, depending on your model. Check the soundbar's manual if you're unsure. Ensuring the soundbar is set to the correct mode guarantees it's prepared to process the audio signal from your TV. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware could cause compatibility issues with HDMI ARC. Check both your TV and soundbar for any available firmware updates. You can usually do this via the settings menu or by visiting the manufacturer's website. Keeping your devices updated not only resolves bugs, but also enhances overall performance and functionality. Step 5. Perform a complete reset. If all else fails, performing a complete reset on both your TV and soundbar might resolve ongoing issues. For the soundbar, this could involve holding down the power button for several seconds or following specific instructions in the manual. Resetting will revert your devices to factory settings, potentially fixing any misconfigurations that prevent ARC from functioning properly. By following this comprehensive guide on how to fix Samsung Soundbar HDMI ARC not working, you'll be well on your way to enjoying rich, immersive sound in no time. Checking connections, enabling HDMI CEC, configuring soundbar settings, updating firmware, and performing resets are all effective steps to troubleshoot and resolve ARC-related issues. Remember, maintaining an organized setup and frequently updating your devices will prevent many common issues. Should you continue experiencing problems, consulting customer support or a professional technician may be necessary. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience and happy listening.